Well, it's a day a lot of people have been waiting for. Personal care businesses in New Jersey, like hair salons and spas, will reopen. Eyewitness News reporter Dan Koob is live at a barbershop in Audubon. So, Dan, are you looking to get a haircut today?
I wish, Jim. You know, I did not do my due diligence. I did not plan ahead, and I'm going to pay for it because, as I mentioned in the last half hour, I tried to make an appointment here at Brigandi's in Audubon. Not going to happen. Not until June or July 7th am I going to be able to get inside there and clean up whatever I got going on up here. But you're right, it is the first day to get a haircut. Some of those personal businesses opening back up here in the state of New Jersey as part of Phase 2. Governor Phil Murphy's plan to reopen the state. Alongside that, barbershops, salons, nail salons, massage and tattoo parlors. Jersey entering Phase 2 last Monday, and this is the next step in the process back that the governor has repeatedly said is data-based. Philly expected to reach the same level and open up similar businesses towards the end of this week. Governor Murphy says they've given specific guidelines to businesses to maintain social distancing and are requiring consumers to continue wearing masks when inside. A reminder that the threat of COVID-19 is still with us.
However, we must be mindful that as we take each step down our road back, the risks increase for COVID-19 to spread if we do not take personal responsibility. Remember that notion, common sense for the common good, not just for yourself or your family, but for the rest of us.
So I didn't do my homework, I didn't do my research, Jim, but I do follow you on Twitter, and I know you've got a lot of salad up top as well.
Yes,
Just
it
like
is.
Me. Did you do yours? Are you getting your haircut?
July 1st at 2 p.m. All set, Dan.
Okay.
Ready to go.
We'll send a camera.
Yes,
Yeah.
please do. Thank you, Dan. Appreciate it. We'll check in with you in a little bit.